Hi friends, welcome everyone to the brand new episode of Pandas Tasty World. Today let's try to see how we can connect our OnePlus device smartphone with MI TV, especially with an Android TV. Today I am going to talk about how we can connect to an MI TV. So as you turn on your MI TV, you'll be seeing this dashboard, and so what you need to do is you have to come down towards this more, where you will be seeing the applications present inside this MI TV. So let me select that and go ahead and select this one, wireless screen sharing. That is a built-in app available in MI TV. So you need to select that and click OK. So this is what the initial step that you have to do right now. Then followed by you need to do some settings in your smartphone, in your OnePlus smartphone. So we got OnePlus 70 with us. So let's see what are the configurations we need to do in this one. So when we scroll down, we will be seeing the option of settings, right? So you need to select that first, and in that settings you need to select the first option, Wi-Fi and internet option. So in this we need to turn on the Wi-Fi option, since this is going to use the Wi-Fi direct connection. Okay, so one thing to be noted is that you should not be having any saved Wi-Fi networks. If so, you need to do forget network option, because this is very important step. So we are turning on the Wi-Fi settings right now, and once we did this, we need to go back to the settings again, and we need to choose the second option, that is Bluetooth and device connection. In this you need to select the cast option, that will be third option, and initially it will be showing as not connected. Reach the cast screen, you will be displayed with a message, no nearby devices were found. It's okay, we can fix that. Now what you need to do is you need to choose the three dots option on the top right side corner. It will show enable wireless display. You need to check that. In that moment itself you will be displayed with your TV name. Initially it will be disabled, later on it will get enabled. Once you click on that device name, you will be shown with the message it's getting connected. Once it is getting connected successfully, you will be free to do cast to your mobile. So now you could see that connection successful message has been shown in the MA TV, and you could see your mobile screen in the TV. Let's try to play a movie in that. So you could see the Aquaman movie in my mobile as well as in the TV. So right now I am clicking on the play button. See, it's coming very clearly, very fast, without any latency, any lag whatsoever. See, it's very clear picture you could see. So we hope that everyone has enjoyed our video. If so, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.